morning, students. Today, ma'am will give you new introduction of and sound words. New words and sound words. 3-letter words. Words with and sound. K and a can. M and a man. W and a van. R and a ran. P and a pan. F and a fan. T and a tan. Now, 3-letter words with app sound. App. App sound words. M apple map. T apple tap. G apple gap. K apple cap. L apple lap. R apple rap. Y apple yap. S apple sap. Now we read all the A and an words and AP app words. K and a can, B and a van, M and a man, R and a ran, T and a tan, P and a pan, F and a fan, B and a pan. Now AP app sound words, app sound words. K apple cap, R apple wrap, G apple gap, Y apple yap, L apple lap, T apple tap, M apple map, S apple sap. Now revision 3-letter words. An, app, ad, am, at, app, add words. Now we start and words. K and a can, B and a ban, T and a tan, V and a van, F and a fan. Now app words. K apple cap, L apple lap, T apple tap, S apple sap, G apple gap. Egg sound words. B egg bag, L egg leg, S egg sag, R egg rag, T egg tag. Now am sound words. It's all revision. J am a jam, D am a dam, H am a ham, R am a ram, Y am a yam. Add sound words. H at a hat, K at a cat, R at a rat, M at a mat, S at a sat. Now ab sound words. L ab a lab, K ab a cab, D ab a dab, F ab a fab, T ab a tab. Now add sound words. B add a bad, D add a dad, H add a had, L add a lad, M add a mad. Thank you. All of you revise all the sound words. Have a nice day.